Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can sign up into your online banking account of Morgan Stanley. So in order to have an access of all your account detail on your device, you must sign up into your online banking account, which is much more convenient and easy to use. In this following video, I will be showing you how you can sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.morganstanley.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on client login. As you tap on client login, there's a drop down menu. So from here, you'll have to select your account type. As you select your account type, on the other page, you will be directed into login page. So in order to have a login information, first of all, you must have an online banking account. Only then you'll be provided with the login information. In order to sign up into your online banking account, so then tap on create a username in the bottom left corner. Next page, you will be directed into enrollment page. Over here, you'll have to register. So for that, you'll have to provide your account information, that includes your account number and your social security number. So make sure to enter the correct account information that is linked with your bank account. After you're done entering your account number, next you'll have to proceed with social security number. So the alternative for social security number is that you'll have to enter the passport number. So make sure to enter the correct one. And once you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again. Only then tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. And as you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you'll have to provide more account information. So once you're done entering all your information that is asked, on the other page you'll get to create a profile, which means that you'll get to create a user ID and your password. So once you're done creating your profile information, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account of Morgan Stanley. And that is how you can sign up into your online banking account of Morgan Stanley. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.